China reports biggest daily COVID-19 case jump in over 5 months. Israeli tycoon in Swiss court over alleged bribes in Guinea. Indonesia grants emergency use authorization to Sinovac's COVID-19 vaccine. India readies colossal coronavirus vaccine rollout. North Korea king assumed late father mantle. Indonesia intensifies search for crash plane black boxes. Netanyahu ordered advancement of West Bank settler housing projects. US intends to designate Houthi movement in Yemen as foreign terror group.